Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari.beats back with another POV. You know what I'm saying? Before I say anything, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? And yeah, man. But today really a little car vlog. You feel me? I'm just going to give me something to eat, and I was like, man, why not record me a quick POV, you know what I'm saying, on the way to my destination, you feel me? So it's a car vlog, man. Like me vlogging, but with a car, and the car, you know what I'm saying, is a part of it and all that thing like that. But nevertheless, man, on the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. And comment down below on what other video y'all would like to see, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below what kind of video y'all like to see, man. Oh, this bus is scaring me. Bus is almost like semi now. Well, they be weaving. But yeah, car crew, man, like I was saying, on the road to 10K, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And yeah, but we finna get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna put y'all in sport, by the way. And by the way, I don't have any gas. But we still gonna be in sport mode just for car crew. And I might, y'all let me know if y'all like the wide. Well, obviously the wide angle is like more POV-ish. But sometimes I be recording like this. You know what I'm saying? When I'm on the highway, so y'all can see other cars, like there's other cars with me. But y'all let me know which one y'all like better. I don't know. And I can just focus it out. You know what I'm saying? And then y'all can just really see like how I see, cause it's really how close my eyes look in person. But I don't know. Y'all let me know. But for now, I'm just gonna do it like this. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we in sport mode, by the way. You know what I'm saying? In sport mode with it. Roll these windows down. I ain't rolling the front ones all the way down. I rolling my back ones down there all the way down. Little traffic POV, man. Probably cut up a little bit, make a little noise. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I ain't rolling in sport in a while. I just don't like sport steering, bro. Oh my goodness. I like sport like everything else. I just don't like the steering. That sport is crazy. Get all that traffic car, bro. Crazy car, man. My bad, car crew, not talking like that. I just it's therapeutic for me, man. Just listening to Olivia and driving with the wind blowing, man. Real life country boy living. Why is the camera doing that? Bro, I don't know what's going on. Here they go. Yeah, his windows down. Goodness. Car crew, man. I don't know why my camera keeps doing that, dude. Every time I lift my arm up, bro, the camera starts tripping. Car crew, bro. Am I tripping, bro? Do y'all see that? Like, what is going on? Look at it, bro. Like, it keep doing it. I know I ain't tripping, bro. It must be the lens, bro. The wide angle lens. Man, let me see something. I know it ain't the sun, bro. The sun is not that bright, bro. There's no way. There's no way, bro. I don't know. I'm just gonna hold it like this. See, he's trying to do it again, bro. Is it the charger? I got my phone on the charger. Like, I'm so confused on what's going on. I don't know, car crew, but y'all hear that? It's not crazy. I don't know what's up with the camera though, man. But car crew, y'all let me know down below, man, what kind of videos y'all would like to see. Sorry about that. Whatever was just going on, but y'all comment down below, man. Let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what kind of video y'all like to see, man. POV wise, driving wise, car content wise, how to videos, you know what I'm saying? Whichever one. Might have blew their horn at me from the other side of the street. Start scratching their head, that bitch so loud. Man, Olivia in sport mode, scat in sport mode is crazy. Bro, this camera finna blow me, bro. I'm like, what is going on, bro? I don't know, car crew, bro. This thing is literally tripping. Y'all gonna see all this. They're gonna be raw. Most of my POVs, bro, gonna start being like just the full, you know what I'm saying, what I record from beginning to end. Unless it's like, I have to stop, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, bro, what is going on? Bro, I'm finna get so blowed, bro. Why is this junk doing that, bro? Car crew, y'all gonna see all this, bro. I don't know. It's like, I gotta hold it right here. I can't hold it no higher. Hear that bit like bro, that's crazy. I know y'all probably like, why he keep doing that? I'm doing it for y'all, really, but it sounds good though. My goodness, do y'all hear that? Olivia sound a little different today, man. And I ain't even, I'm just fluttering the pedal. I don't know why this mug keep doing this, bro. It's finna blow me. Damn, cause my window dirty or something? I'm like, car crew, y'all let me know why my phone doing that. I'm recording off an iPhone, man. I don't know why, I don't know what's going on. Crazy. I like how I switched that without using the other hand. I'm gonna go challenge the same color as mine. And it's a scat. Bro, is that a hawk? Oh, but them Jeeps, boy. I thought that was a hawk up there. I haven't turned around, boy. I was say for sale? Comment down below, car crew. Y'all want to see me and a hawk. You know what I'm saying? I want a cat. I'll take a both, either one. But a Hellcat either way. But a Hawk is crazy. That's like the ultimate goal. You know what I'm saying? Hellcat first. Trackhawk will be the last one. Like, that's the one I keep. I wouldn't get rid of. Unless like they came out with a new Trackhawk. You know what I'm saying? Or something like that. But I wouldn't get rid of it. Cause it's like 5 different things in one. But yeah, car crew, man, that's gonna be a wrap. That's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video. And y'all can see my camera is acting retarded. I don't know what's going on. I gotta see what's up with that. Or maybe turn my phone off, turn it back on. I don't know. But yeah, car crew. With that being said, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. Like I said, at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve. Turn it on. Any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, man. Do that milestone, do that goal. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. And like I say for all my religious folk, man, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. Get wisdom, guidance, have faith, man, and patience. You know what I'm saying? And build a relationship with him and talk to him and ask him for, you know what I'm saying, strengths and places that are weak. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, Harku, like I say in all the rest of my videos as well, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.